Welcome back to Crypto Zombies, Lesson 2, Chapter 6, Import. It says, whoa, you'll notice we just cleaned up the code to the right, and you now have tabs at the top of your editor. Go ahead, click between the tabs to try it out. Let's do that real quick. We got zombiefeeding.solidity, and then we have this other file, zombiefactory.solidity. That's our old file. Here it is. All our code is up in there. And then we have zombie feeding. And let's continue reading. It says, our code was getting pretty long, so we split it up into multiple files to make it more manageable. This is normally how you will handle long code bases in your Solidity projects. When you have multiple files and you want to import one file into another, Solidity uses the import keyword. Here we have import and then the name of the file we are importing. Then contract, new contract is some other contract, which would probably borrow from in here. So if we had a file named someothercontract.solidity in the same directory as this contract, that's what the // means, it would get imported by the compiler. Put it to the test. Now that we've set up a multi-file structure, we need to use import to read the content of the other file. 1. Import zombiefactory.solidity into our file, zombiefeeding.solidity. Probably one of the easiest lessons we'll have. We're going right here, and we simply want to do what they did here and say import quotes // because it's in the same directory, and we want to import zombiefactory.solidity or .sol, end quotation, semicolon. That should be all that they are asking for in this lesson. Let us check answer, and we did pass. Important thing that we learned here is importing. We can use other files by importing them. In the file that we want to import code into, we simply use import, and then the path to the file in between quotation marks. If you get that, then you get the point of this lesson. If you found this video helpful, make sure to share, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll see you in the next lesson.